What I was hoping to get out of this training was tools that I could bring back to my leaders to better coach them in their roles day to day. It's been high energy so far, so no death by PowerPoint. I love that we've all been laughing and learning at the same time.
Being vulnerable is becoming something of a theme I'm finding, in that you have to be vulnerable to learn from what you're doing well, but also more importantly, some things that you could really admit that you could maybe do a little better on.
I think what has stood out most from this training is just how practical all of the lessons are.
This program has reinforced that self-awareness is really the foundation for everything, and when I work with my leaders, self-awareness is the key for them being successful in their roles.
The opportunity has been an incredible way for our staff to kind of see an extension of what their strengths are and making them a lot more conscious.
This training has helped me become more focused in how I see my day-to-day actions as a leader. It gives you a more clear path for development. It really just helps you shift the conversation from being focused on the problems to what can we lean on from everyone's strengths to be able to get things done.
For someone considering attending this program, I would say come ready to be challenged and leave with some amazing tools that you can use right away.